So my affiliate commissions have just come in, which is great because it only took a week. So here's the commission amount, $1,023. I'm kind of shocked at how well this has worked. I started a new affiliate marketing challenge to see how fast I could make $1,000, and I documented the whole process. So in this video, I'm going to show you just how that happened, as well as this. We have over 4,000 contacts in my email list, which is insane, as we can now continue making affiliate commissions with the same audience. Making money with affiliate marketing is incredibly hard, and every day, thousands of people around the world put crazy amounts of effort into trying to do it. But the reason this challenge started was because when I made my previous affiliate marketing video and did my research to see the advice out there, I realized something. If I started again now, I'd pretty much do none of the things that we get told to do. I wouldn't promote ClickBank products, I wouldn't devote much time to Facebook ads, I wouldn't run Google ads or even Bing ads. I would just focus on free traffic, because I'm broke right now, and most likely you are too. Since we don't have thousands of dollars to waste on split testing different ad combinations, we gotta take the Sigma grind set path. Let's face it, I could have just made a video saying, new affiliate marketing method, make money online fast. But that's just all talk, right? So I thought I'd actually do this thing myself and document the process to getting to $1,000, because I wanted to help new affiliate marketers discover a new way of doing things. So I set out to do just that, and first thing to do was to decide on my niche. This step is important because I want to actually pick something that I have an interest in, but then we also have to make sure that the niche is profitable. Football is my passion, but will it be a profitable niche? Typically, you should go with something related to wealth, health, or relationships, as those are the things that everybody can relate to. And people are also willing to spend money to solve problems related to those three markets. It was a hard decision, but in the end, I decided to go with the online business niche. So we decided on the niche. Now the next quest was to find the products to promote. Now I need to find something that people in the online business space would find useful. I was torn between whether I should promote software or an online course. So in the end, I decided to go with both. Here are the products that I'll be promoting. We got Jasper.ai, which is an AI copywriting tool that I've used in the past, and they give a 30% recurring commission rate. We also have the 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer. I've taken this course before when I was first starting out, and I thought it was pretty good for $7. You only receive a $3 commission for each sale, but the best part is that Legendary Marketer also has a bunch of other courses too. So if your referrals end up buying any of the other high-ticket offers on the back end, you will also earn commissions for those sales. Now I need to explain to you the strategy that I will use to earn those affiliate commissions. I want this to be as low effort as possible, so I need to think of a way that I can automate this. Have you ever bought something on Amazon only to have Amazon send you an email recommending you new products the very next day? Email marketing makes these businesses a lot of money. So what if I could figure out a way to do this too? But how do I know who to email in the first place? And I can't just spam people. That would just make them angry. Stop freaking emailing me, bro. I don't want to buy your sussy baka sticker. Leave me alone, bro. After some intense research, I finally came across the solution. The lead magnet. Now this lead magnet thing, this is a freebie that you will give away in exchange for somebody's email address. Now in order to be successful, I need to create something that people actually want. And to do this, you go through a process known as building an avatar. Avatars are common in marketing. The idea is you work out 1 to 3 different types of people that might be interested in your products. And the more that you learn about these people, the easier it is to come up with products that they will buy, because they'll feel like you're talking directly to them. So to create an avatar, I put myself in my customer's shoes and listed all of the things that I thought they might care about. Their fears, their age, their location, frustrations, how much they earn, what they did on the weekends, what they thought about the second they woke up, and I ended up with this spreadsheet right here. Alright, so let's take a look at their fears. Being a disappointment to his parents, not getting any momentum with his side hustle, dropping out of college and then falling behind everyone else's age, becoming invisible to society and just retreating into isolation, loneliness, and nihilism. Okay, maybe that's a little bit extreme, but wait a minute. I think this avatar is me. Now that's another cool tip. A lot of the times your avatar is actually just yourself from 1 to 2 years ago, which is awesome because you know all of your problems, your insecurities, what drives you. And thinking about these things will give you the ability to come up with the type of content that this type of person will be likely to click on. For example, struggling to make money online? Try this. It's just way more impactful than best ways to make money online in 2023, best side hustle tips ever. So going back to our lead magnet, I have a few options. I can make an ebook, a video, a PDF report. But in the end, I decided to make a short, free video training about online business. So I made the video and set up the website with ClickFunnels. Now all that was left was to set up the automated email funnel. So here's a mini email marketing tutorial for you guys. When somebody joins an email list, they often get spammed with promo offers right from the start. That is not what you want to do. The email subscriber is a person, so you need to treat them like one. Here's my epic email follow-up sequence. First, we have the consumption sequence. This is where we give them the free product that we promised. Once they open one of these these emails, we will then add them to the getting to know you sequence. Here is where you introduce yourself to the email subscriber. Now that they know who you are, only now can you start promoting your offers. So after ages, I finally set up my email automation sequence. But how are we actually going to get people into my affiliate marketing funnel? So we already ruled out paid traffic because we got no money right now. What are the best free traffic sources out there? That's when I began my mission to search the internet for the best advice.
Do this on Pinterest, and I'm going to show you how simple this is because you can get reoccurring clicks.
There is a lot of garbage advice out there, if I'm being honest. We got Pinterest pins where you just spam out these trashy looking designs from Canva. We have these epic faceless channels where everything is automated and you don't need to do anything yourself. BS. Honestly, the real way is actually very simple. You just gotta create the content yourself. These shortcuts just don't work. And I know because I've wasted years of my life on them. So I looked at the different social media platforms out there and we whittled it down to a small few. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and a blog. It is fair to say that these are the 6 big options when it comes to free traffic sources, and you could just pick all 6 and have a multi-platform strategy. Honestly, I think that that is the best path to go with because your social channels can cross-pollinate and grow together. To start out with though, I went with TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. The reason I picked these 3 was because they each had a shorts feature, and short vertical form content is overpowered right now. The reach is insane. Everybody is doing it, so that's why I decided to hop onto the trend as well. And since every social media platform has a shorts feed, an efficient content strategy is to make one video and repost the same video on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, maximizing my overall reach per video produced. Now all that I had to do was put the link to my lead magnet in the bio or video description and begin producing content. So I then started researching other creators in the niche, looking for what they did that worked well. What type of videos did they make? How did they produce the content? What questions did people have in the comments section? And I noticed something very interesting. So I've just stumbled across something that could either be really good news or really bad news. Basically, all of the competition that I've been checking out are basically making videos on the same topics, and the styles of videos are really similar, even to the point where they're using the exact same script, word for word. So I had a cool idea that might work, but might also epically fail. What I noticed is that TikTok basically goes through trends. However, all of these trends have happened on YouTube before, just 5 years earlier. I noticed pranks were doing well on TikTok. YouTube had the same trend back in like 2016.
You look like a virgin, man. What? I man them. Oh shit. Oh shit. No.
So what if I took the same evolution from OG YouTube and applied it to TikTok? And what was another form of garbage content that did really well on YouTube back in the day? Reaction content, which is massive on YouTube and Twitch, but it isn't really that popular on TikTok at the moment. So what that could mean is that there's just zero market for the idea that I have. But the more exciting option is that I found a gap in the market, because if there's some level of demand, then I found a winner. So after my research, I then set out to plan my content strategy. So here's my plan. We are going to be doing daily videos. Videos 1, 2, and 3 are going to be viral videos that have been proven to work. I've looked through the top performing videos in my niche. I took their scripts and tweaked it a little bit to make it my own, but I still made sure to keep it pretty similar. Video 4, this one I made from scratch. I took the similar concepts that the other videos had, but by making it from scratch, it's pretty unique, which might give me a slight edge. Videos 5, 6, and 7, I decided to experiment with my reaction style content. I basically found videos that have previously gone viral, did a split screen with myself in the corner reacting to the video. These videos are really low effort. Like sometimes you don't even need to say anything. Your face just sits there in the corner, which means that I can pump out more content at a faster rate. So I sat down, wrote up some video scripts, then started video production, and here's what happened. So Instagram was basically an epic fail. We got no views and I ended up rage quitting. YouTube did all right. A few of the videos ranked and didn't even get over 100 views, and the rest kind of averaged around the 1,000 to 2,000 view mark, which gained us a few YouTube subscribers, but nothing else really. TikTok, on the other hand, was a different story. Video number 1 did over 40,000 views. Video 2, 11,000 views. Video 3 tanked, we got 1,000 views, and video 4, we got 21,000. So overall, that's pretty good so far. But remember the reaction style videos that I was talking about? Let's see how they did. Video 5, 5K. Video number 6, 6K. I was really expecting this reaction style content to work. I guess it's trash though. But what about video number 7? 7.1 million views. Somehow the algorithm gods decided to bless me. This video was completely garbage. I don't know what happened, but for some reason it just randomly popped off. And that brings us up to this moment. So my affiliate commissions have just come in, which is great because it only took a week. So here's the commission amount, $1,023. I'm kind of shocked at how well this has worked. But the thing that really surprised me was how well the reaction style videos were working on TikTok. After the initial videos went viral, the momentum continued and my future videos continued to get views as well. And that brings me to where I was yesterday. So it's been a few weeks since I've taken this challenge. Let's take a look at our commissions. So Jasper, the copywriting AI, how much did we earn? We managed to get 509 referrals, which is insane. We got 45 of them onto the free trial. Now total sales, 0? What? This shocked me. 0 sales from 509 referrals. I thought this was a glitch or I was getting scammed or something because there was no way that these numbers were adding up. But what about the 15-day business builder challenge? So we got 4 people to join the challenge. One of them joined the Marketers Club, which is a recurring membership. But surprisingly, one of my referrals ended up purchasing an upsell for more advanced training, which cost $2,500. Since I received 40% of the sale, I netted a $1,000 commission. So in total, we netted $1,023. And we managed to gain over 4,000 email subscribers, which we can continue to remarket to in the long run. But there's something that I need to tell you because I've not been 100% honest. See, I didn't start completely from scratch. I actually already had a small audience on TikTok. The TikTok algorithm, however, is super friendly to new creators. Yes, if you already have an audience, you get a slight boost in the beginning, but the For You page algorithm is actually separate from the followers algorithm. So somebody with 5 followers has just as much of a chance to go viral as somebody with 100,000 followers. And anybody can grow an audience. A little over a year ago, I was at 0 followers too, so anything is possible. But let's not ignore the elephant in the room though. Firstly, I have experience with making videos since I've been doing this for a little over a year. My videos are still kind of trash. I'm still working on refining the process, but unless you've had some sort of background in film, your first few videos are gonna suck. So you're most likely not going to be making high ticket sales within the first week. Of course, there are exceptions to the rules, but the odds just aren't in your favor. You should expect to be on the grind for a few months to even a year before you start to have any meaningful progress. If you're still lost, then I have a video that you can watch on how to get started with affiliate marketing for beginners. I'll put it up on the screen for you to watch next.